Welcome, Shelly Saenz-Haro here, and it's time to put on our realtor hat and also to become a social butterfly. And so we are ready. Today I'm going to talk about a template that I have here in my Etsy shop that I want to invite you to shop around to see if any of your real estate needs for marketing can be met. But this is a really cute idea that you'd be able to share with your clients as well. Let me get my glasses here. It says here, your referrals are the sweetest part of my business. And I thought that was really cute that you would be able to share, of course, with your client. All right, well, let's get this tag cut out here. Now, I am a realtor here in the DFW area, and if you have a client that you want to refer to me, be happy to help them and to show them around. I do specialize in residential, and we'd be able to set up the appropriate documentation and paperwork so that you'd be able to get your referral fee sent to you at closing, of course, and get the process done. My information will be listed as well. But if you're not a realtor and you need a realtor, be happy to help as well here in the DFW area, and be happy to show you around, and we can set up an appointment and we can talk about your needs, your real estate needs, and see what direction you'd like to move in. All right, well, let's continue here with the project. So we're going to make a hole with our hole punch here in the top middle. And what I have here is a plastic bag, and I already have some confetti that I found over at Family Dollar. And then we have, of course, the plastic bag. This can be found at Kroger, and you get like 75 for like a whole, like very fair price is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so I do have this candy that I found at Dollar Tree, and what I'm trying to say is that it says that it's sour, so you know, you've been saying the word right now is making my mouth kind of pucker, but I think it's just a fun way to show your clients that that you're fun too, and you can even make them think about sour candy. Anyway, it's just a fun little thing here. All right, so then what you'll want to do is also include your business card, and here I always like to have like a little tiny key, and I do sell these in my Etsy shop as well, and attach it to the business card, and we'll put it in there as well. Okay, and now give it a spin. Okay, and I do have some ribbon here somewhere. Oh, here we go. Let's use this one to make a bow. Okay, here we go. If you have any questions, like I was saying, you're more than welcome to reach out to me, and be happy to help in any way that I can concerning real estate. Okay. Oh my goodness, is this not the cutest? I love it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.